Food-grade durable plastic bottling spigot, pack of 2. Nozzle usually connect 3/8 ID plastic hose. To install need to drill a 1-inch hole. 2 PCS washers will guarantee no leak problem. Quality guarantee, any problem, money back or replacement guarantee. Top reviews from the United States. These are fine. Fit by drilling into any 3 to 5 to 7 gallon buckets. I have used similar and little difference in these. All work for me. Sometimes you need a better gasket, sometimes not, and depends on the curve of the plastic you are using them on too, I suppose. Anyway, we'll use for a bucket of water at campsite this summer. Also, if you do, you may need to have a slight opened lid or air hole to make sure flow is good. Otherwise, if it gets into a vacuumed situation, the flow just isn't happening and is not the fault of the faucet. It needs air supply to work. And good gaskets for good seal too.